Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Garmin to Samsung Health. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone and download the Garmin Connect app. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in with your Garmin account. After that, go back to the Google Play Store and search for an app called HealthSync. Install HealthSync on your phone and open it once the installation is complete. When you open HealthSync for the first time, you will see a setup screen. Here, you need to choose the direction of data syncing. Select Garmin Connect as the source, which means it will be the app where your data comes from. Then select Samsung Health as the destination, which means it will receive the data. Next, the app will ask you to grant permissions. Follow the on-screen steps carefully. You will need to log in to both your Garmin Connect account and your Samsung Health account. Make sure to allow all required permissions so the apps can share data properly. After that, you will be asked to choose the types of data you want to sync. You can select options like activities, sleep, heart rate, and weight. Choose the data that is important to you and continue. Now, HealthSync will start syncing your data automatically in the background. You can also manually trigger a sync inside the app if needed. Thanks for watching.